Hey everyone, imagine you're on a road trip, enjoying the drive and suddenly your car struggles to shift gears or stays stuck in one gear. Hey everyone, imagine you're on a road trip, enjoying the drive and suddenly your car struggles to shift gears or stays stuck in one gear. You pull out your OBD-II scanner and boom, code P0997 appears. This means there's a problem with the Shift Solenoid H control circuit high, which can lead to poor gear shifting, jerking, or even transmission failure. In this video, we'll break down what P0997 means, where the key sensors are located, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0997? DTC P0997 stands for Shift Solenoid H Control Circuit High. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, controls the shift solenoids inside the transmission. If the solenoid H circuit is receiving higher than expected voltage, the transmission may not shift properly. Symptoms of P0997. If your car has this code, you might experience harsh or delayed shifting, transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, jerking or hesitation when accelerating, check engine light or transmission. Warning light, increased fuel consumption, sensor and component locations, very important. Shift solenoid H, location. Inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure to shift gears smoothly. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, mounted on the transmission housing or under the dashboard. Function, controls the shift solenoids electronically. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, found on the side of the transmission, near the hydraulic lines. Function, ensures proper hydraulic pressure for shifting gears. Shift solenoid wiring and connectors location, runs between the TCM and the solenoids inside the transmission. Function, sends electrical signals to engage gears correctly. What causes P0997? Possible reasons include: 1. Faulty shift. Solenoid H, overheating or wear can cause it to fail. 2. Damaged wiring or connectors, corrosion or short circuits in the solenoid circuit. 3. Faulty transmission control module, TCM, sending excessive voltage to the solenoid. 4. Dirty or low transmission fluid, causing improper hydraulic function. 5. Bad transmission fluid pressure sensor, sending incorrect pressure readings. How to fix P0997. Follow these steps. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure the fluid is clean, at the correct level, and not burnt. Dirty fluid can cause solenoid malfunctions. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose, or corroded wires leading to the solenoid and TCM. Step 3. Test shift solenoid H. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoid. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If readings are out of range, replace the solenoid. Step 4, check the TCM, transmission control module. Scan for other transmission-related codes that might indicate a failing TCM. If necessary, reprogram or replace the TCM. Step 5, clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code. Drive for 10–15 miles to check if the issue is resolved. Final words. If you're seeing P0997, your shift solenoid H control circuit has high voltage, which can cause serious shifting issues. Fixing it early can prevent costly transmission damage. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0861, transmission control module communication circuit low. P0862, transmission control module communication circuit high. This is IG Garage, your go-to place for car diagnostics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.